పాదమిటుపోతున్నా పయనమెందాకైనా అడుగు తడబడుతున్నా తోడురానా చిన్ని ఎడబాటైనా కంట తడి పెడుతున్నా గుండె ప్రతిలయలోన నేను లేనా ఒంటరైనా ఓటమైనా వెంట నడిచే నీడవేనా తడి కన్నులనే తుడిచిన నేస్తమా పొడి తుడుకులలో నిలిచిన స్నేహమా
சீனியருக்கும் கல்லூரி வாசல் எங்கும் ராகிங் நடக்கும் சுடல் மனமோ நந்தவனமே ரோஜா இருக்கும் முள்ளும் இருக்கும் நட்புக்கு ராகிங் கூட பாதை தன்னன் ஒருவன் வந்த பிறகு பின்னை தொடலாம் ஒன்றும் சிறகு வானக்கும் எல்லை உண்டு நட்புக்கில்லை இங்கும் வரலாம் துன்பம் வரலாம் நண்பன் ஒருவன் பங்கு பெறலாம் கல்லூரி நட்புக்கில்லை முற்று புள்ளியே പെയ്യും നിൻചിരി മഴ തന്നലായി കുളിരിലായി വെന്നുമേ പൊതിയും നീയാം പകൽ പയ്യെ വീശും കാറ്റിൽ കുഞ്ഞോളങ്ങൾ കൊഞ്ചും പോലെ കണ്ണെ കണ്ടാൽ നിന്നെ മിണ്ടിയിടുന്നേ നെഞ്ചം താനെ
മനസ്സുകളാൽ നാം പോകും ദൂരം ഇതുവരെയും ഞാൻ കാണാ ദൂരം
Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause the dreams bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your memories bring. क्या ये उजाले क्या ये अंधेरे दोनों से आगे
हैं मंजर तेरे, क्यों रोशनी तू बाहर तलाशे, तेरी मशाले अंदर तेरे, क्यों ढूंढना पैरों के निशान, जाए वही ले जाए जहां दे सब।
Hello students, hope you are doing good. You have done your examination and you have reached your places very safely, and some of you have got the placements, and congratulations to all those who have got the placements and started working. So I would like to wish you all the best for your future endeavors and in all walks of your life. So I am very happy to wish you all the best at this moment, because you have been a part of CIMS family for 2 years. So I have taken the classes for you first 2 years and have missed you in the second year, third sem, but totally we have missed you in the college campus in the 4th semester due to this pandemic. But I can say, I can put it on record that you people were one of the best batch of students that I have seen at SIMS. Disciplined, dedicated and hardworking, and you also participated in all the activities that we have conducted, whether it is sports, whether it is club activities, whether it is cultural activities, and many of you were having fantastic leadership qualities, organizing skills, and I cannot forget the summit what you have done, the Inter-College Fest. So I can recall many moments which you have done successfully, and I can see all of you being the leaders in future, and you are going to rock in your particular area, maybe entrepreneurship, maybe business, maybe any other walks of your life. Let all your dreams come true. All the best once again. Thank you all.
Dear students, it gives me an mixed emotion at this time, at this juncture, when I have got to wish you a very good future in your future endeavors, and as well as to bid an emotional goodbye to you all. Since you have spent 2 years with us, it was a very good stay of yours with us. You have been one of the best batch of SIMS. I wish you all the best in all your future endeavors, and I know you are all very capable. You will come up in whatever career you take up, and once again I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Hello students, I hope you are good, doing good. I understand that due to this current situation, we are left out with no other option rather than giving this online farewell to you, virtual farewell. Anyway, most of you might have started already working, some of you will be looking out for a job. The job market poses different types of opportunities and challenges at you. It is not like you are a college environment where you have not done an assignment, your friend gives his assignment and asks you to simply copy it and to submit it to the concerned teacher. It's not like that. In job market, if you have not done your assignment, your colleague will be waiting for that opportunity to take and your mileage of that situation. So give your 100%, all the very best.
Hi all, my dear students. Hope you all reached your destinations after finishing your examination and Viva. And most of you people are working in Bangalore and all over the country. And I wish you very good luck for your future. And we miss you all. It's been 2 years you are together with us, and it's a beautiful journey we had. It's not only one-side teaching to you all people. We also learn from you people from all the aspects, and we had a students from Kashmir to Goa. It's a nice experience it was with you all, and I wish you very good luck for your future. And I'm very thankful to you all because for being with us with all the activities, especially sports activities, indoor, outdoor, and summit what we did, and other cultural and academic activities which are you are all a part of it. And the sad thing is we are not able to give you a good farewell party. That was the one thing which is hurting us due to this pandemic situation. And I was very happy to work with you regarding your best manager event. There are people, those who are excellent people, worked with me and made it a great success in that summit. And I wish you very good luck.
Hi all. So officially you have all completed your MBA graduation and you are stepping forward towards your future goal. So this is a time where you have to choose your right field depending on your skill sets, your knowledge and your talent. So most of you know about it that I was not interacting with you much in the classroom, but still we have a very good bondage, very good relationship between us, because the day when you came for the admission with your parents, I had met you and we still remember all those days, right? So this 2 years of journey what we had was really very beautiful. I'm definitely going to miss that. I'm definitely going to miss you all. So anyways, no regrets for that, because we are happy that you all cleared your MBA graduation successfully and you're all good. Some of you got placed and some of you are still attending the interview. But anyways, you'll be settled very soon. I'm sure about that. You will be definitely settled very soon. So, but when you're choose the right path, because that's very, very important. And you all made us very proud in various fields. Maybe it is academics, maybe it is placement or co-curricular activities. You all really performed very well and we're very, very proud of it. I'm wishing you all the very successful career in your future. And as a fresher, most of you are starting your career. So you'll have a lot of challenges, you'll have a lot of issues in your job, because it will be your first job. So you may feel that you're having a lot of issues. But I would like to give you a small suggestion or a tips. You can take it as a tips. So please carry 3 characteristics within you. That is commitment, dedication and sincerity. So these 3 characters will definitely help you to reach your goal very, very soon. Okay. All the very best. See you all. Keep in touch. Don't forget us. Thank you.
Hi, my dear students. Hope you are all doing good and you have written your exams well. I take this opportunity to tell you all the best for your future endeavors. Do well with whatever jobs you secure. Make sure you strive hard, work smart and excel in your careers. Remember, don't stop learning, because that's the only thing that creates wealth for you. Knowledge is wealth. Thank you.
Hello students. So I always thought that you could change the world if you had the right tools to do so. Today I can say that the time has come, because you are equipped with everything you need. Always keep up the dedication and sincerity. We all believe that you have the ability to become great. Never back down from the challenges of life. Never give up chasing your dreams. Believe in yourself and the world will be yours. So your academic life may have been ended, but always remember that learning is a never-ending process. My heartfelt good wishes for you all. Happy farewell.
Hi seniors, fourth sem students, already people are already settled in your life, I think so. Hope you have enjoyed your life in CMS. Wish you best of luck all of you.
Hello seniors. Let me just congratulate each and every one of you for completing MBA in CIMS College. I'm pretty sure these 2 years must have been the most adventurous and memorable experience of your life. As juniors, we didn't get much time to spend with you, but still we learned a lot from you, whether it be from fest, common task and all those things. Thank you for guiding us and being there for us. As you step in the next phase of your life, we wish you all the very best and we'll miss you a lot.
Hi seniors, firstly congratulations to all of you. We will surely gonna miss you in our college campus, and my heartfelt wishes for your future. All the best.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕ್ಷೇಮವಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ 2 ವರ್ಷ MBA ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಸ್ಮರಣೀಯವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಭಾವಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ತರ ಇದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಒಂದು ನೆನಪಿನ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಅರ್ಪಿಸಲು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಸಂತೋಷ ಸಿಗಲಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಉನ್ನತ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳು ನೀವು ತಲುಪಲು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.